After you've got all of your rough grade in with your fines on top and a rake out, and it's okay if the 3/4 inch mixes with your fines, we're just doing a skim layer. As more grading happens, those will get pushed down as it gets compacted. So here, which we're doing a mock sand trap, which we're going to use a white rock, we're building out the area where that's going to go. And as we compact this, a lot of it will compress and we may have to reshape. So it's important to leave about 1/2 yard of your fines left over to work with to do some molding. So our next step is we're going to start using our 4-foot level and basically treating this like we're, finishing concrete. We're going to start screeding and leveling out our fines. This is the upper tier area here, which you can see we've got the rough shape, and we're just going to start working backwards, drawing with the across the top to make sure all of that area is smooth on our hands and knees, and we'll just keep working backwards to smooth all of this out. Then we can wet it down and get ready for compaction.